All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do to import website data onto your Excel spreadsheet is to click Data at the top of your Excel and click Web from Web. Then you're going to want to find the website that you want to take data from. So I'm going to take Yahoo Finance and I want to get some stock data. So I'll copy this URL. I'll go back to my spreadsheet and I'll paste it in this box. Click OK. I'll wait for it to load. And when you see this page, you're going to find the table. So click on your table. For me, it'll only be table 0, but the data that you may want might be in a different table, but this is the only one. I'll click load. Wait for it to load. And there you go. Now the data from Yahoo Finance is now in your spreadsheet. And you can format this up to look better if you'd like. I usually just like to make the numbers look right, and I might format the table to a little something easier to read. But there you go. A little update for you. You can put this in. You got all your data from Yahoo Finance. Let's do another example. All right, so now let's say I want to get some football stats. So I'll go to a website. I got CBS Sports. I'll copy the URL. I'll go back to my spreadsheet, click Data, and from Web. I'll paste in my link and click OK. You'll wait for it to load. And once again, you're going to select your table. So once again, I only have one table to pick from, and this has all my data that I want right in here. I'll click Load. Wait for it to load. And there it is. It is all in here, just like how the website had it, but that doesn't look good. But in your spreadsheet. And as these games play on, as long as the website gets updated, these will get updated. So, let's say Kansas City, they get another 200 yards Sunday. This will update from 5510 to 5710. As long as the website gets updated, this will update. A cool thing is it shows your queries and connections. So it shows table 0. If you click on it, it'll take it to that tab, and this is my stock data. And if you click table 2, it'll take you to your football data right here. So it's a quick and easy way to import data from your website.